Remember that spirit that rolled up? How are you? Thanks for coming to say hi. Right? Excuse me about that. Oops. Hi. I know, what's that? Okay, we're just doing some surveying. We'll be back on the other side. Okay, better get out of here. These are the days that I'm gonna come back and be like, when I find something else and be like, you know what? That's what that was. And then it'll be worth it. Okay, let's go. The carriage waits. We're waiting for the sun. It's been shy all day. Where is it? Do you hear it? Do, 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 do. That's my favorite band. Oh wait, I'm not lying. It's rolling up over here, right over our head. Like this is close. See if we can find a better spot. Come on, friend. Wait. Oh my goodness. Where's Snoop at? We need to light this thing. It takes the sun. Oh, all the fun's over here. I got back door. I don't know, I'm just kidding. That's what they say, I thought. Alright, see you, Snoop. I know, it looks like it's going down into a concavement. What's down there? I think the sun's trying to come up. Thought. Alright, onward. I see you, soul. I think it's peeking. Alright, let's go. I love these cloud patterns that the Cancer constellation. I can see it. I also heard about Capricorn, but I don't know. I can't confirm. I know. Oh, wait, where are you at, son? Oh, wait a minute. Never mind. The sun's trying to beat us to our parade spot. Are y'all ready? Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. Do you know any cool facts about Cancer and when it holds? Oh, never mind. Hey, Soul. Perfect timing. I guess we'll call it a tie. I know. Vec's like, okay, Brandon, here we go again. Let's not annoy it. Let's just call this reflecting observations. Huh. I know. Was that too much? Was that awkward silence? Hey, Soul. I think we might have found a different route. But we need you to blow our mind. Is that a cross? See, I told you Cancer has a lot of Christian symbolism. Okay, so I'll give you one more minute to blow our minds. Right? Do you see the curve at top? Wow. Hey, do you see this? Hey, Vector? Interesting. I wonder what it's going to do. Oh, wait, look at you. Looks like something's kind of peeking out of the top in between those two dots above the blackish line in the middle. Okay, at 11:11, I'm going to stop. Just to tease what's going on over here, I haven't even looked. I don't know. I know I was too late, but look at this. That little arch. Cool. Alright, Soul. Thank you so much. Roll up. If you saw the video, the other video, because the spirit is like a spear. You know, in the Olympics where we throw those. Well, guess what? That's in transit. Roll up. I'm not lying. I know I was supposed to stop, but what is this darker? That's so cool. It kind of looks like a bird, right? The birds and the bees. It's springtime. Yeah, it's been too long. Okay, sorry about all that. Man, but Soul's trying. It's like, give me a second. Alright, we'll be back though, Soul. It's like, let me do something over here for the time being. I know, I'm just kidding. Okay, bye.